Today, we're diving into a problem that just about every company is dealing with: data chaos. We're going to pull back the curtain on a really powerful tool from Microsoft called Azure Synapse, which was built to finally bring some order to all that chaos and turn mountains of information into actual, useful insights.
But first, let's just ask a pretty basic question, right? We're living in an age where organizations are collecting these insane amounts of data. So why is it still so ridiculously hard to get clear, fast, and trustworthy answers from it all?
To really appreciate the solution, we first have to get our heads around the problem. So let's talk about what's often called the data dilemma, a challenge that, trust me, almost every big organization is wrestling with right now.
So this is what the old way looked like, and for a lot of places, it's still the reality. Your data is locked away in all these separate boxes, or silos. You've got different teams: engineers, scientists, analysts, and they're all using their own separate tools, not really talking to each other. This whole setup just creates friction and huge bottlenecks, grinding the process of getting insights to a halt.
Okay, think of it like this. Imagine you're trying to cook an amazing meal, but your fresh ingredients are in one kitchen. Your ovens and stovetops are in another one, across town. And your chefs, they're in a completely different building. It's a total mess, right? It's chaotic, inefficient, and honestly, who knows what you'd end up with? For a long, long time, that's what it's been like for data teams.
So, if the old way is this mess of scattered kitchens, what's the fix? Well, the answer is a single, unified place, a master kitchen for all your data. And that, right there, is exactly what Azure Synapse was built to be.
So, what is Azure Synapse officially? It's defined as a limitless analytics service that brings together enterprise data warehousing and big data analytics into a single, unified service. Now pay attention to those key words: limitless, unified, and single service. This isn't just a small change, it's a completely different way of thinking about how we manage and analyze data.
And here it is, our master kitchen in action. This is the Azure Synapse Studio. See on the left, you've got all your ingredients, all your different data sources just flowing right in. Inside the studio are all your tools, your knives and your ovens, things like SQL and Apache Spark. And what's amazing is you can run these huge data jobs with Spark and then immediately query the results with the SQL you already know, all in one seamless flow. Then, on the right, that's the serving counter, where tools like Power BI present the finished dish, those beautiful insights. It's all in one place, totally managed, totally secure, and totally unified.
Okay, so that's the big idea. But what does this master kitchen actually mean for the people doing the work day to day? Let's look at a really specific example. How Synapse completely supercharges one of the most popular BI tools out there, Power BI.
Now, to really get how big of a deal this is, we got to step back in time just a little bit. Take a look at this quote from 2017. A Microsoft team actually called using Power BI to directly query a big data warehouse an anti-pattern, which is basically tech speak for a really, really bad idea. Do not do this. It was slow, it couldn't handle more than a few people at once, and it just didn't work well. It was a massive limitation.
I mean, just look at this. It's night and day. Before, your queries would get stuck in line, only a handful of people could use it at once, and you were always copying data around. But with Synapse, you get instant queries on live data. You can have thousands of users at the same time. Performance is built for massive scale. That thing that was a bad idea, it's now a killer feature.
And you know, it's not just about going faster. Not by a long shot. This unified approach gives you a single source of truth, so everyone is looking at the same trusted, accurate data. Security is centralized. You set the rules once on the data itself. This is a huge deal because it means you don't have to worry about securing hundreds of different reports. And of course, it creates this common ground where teams can actually work together.
So let's really dig into that collaboration piece. What does it actually look like when you have one workspace for all? Let's see it in practice.
Okay, this is the Azure Synapse Studio. Think of it as the central command center where everyone, your data engineers, your data scientists, your BI pros, everybody comes to do their work. It's one single web page that brings all their different tools together.
So you might have a data engineer, right? They're in here writing some complex SQL to get the raw data cleaned up and ready for analysis using the exact tools they're comfortable with.
And here's the magic. In the exact same workspace, a business analyst can immediately see and use the data that engineer just finished preparing. There's no waiting, no emailing files, no context switching. They can just instantly start building a powerful Power BI report on that fresh, live data. This is an absolute game changer for how fast teams can move. You know that old way of doing things where the engineers just kind of throw the data over the wall to the analysts? Yeah, that's gone. Now everyone is working side by side on the same platform. It's just seamless.
All right, so we've talked about the messy kitchens of the past and this new unified master kitchen. Now let's zoom out and think about what this really means for the future of getting insights from data.
When you boil it all down, it comes back to the number one. One unified platform to bring in, prepare, manage, and serve all your data. And it's all for one goal: to drive faster and smarter business decisions.
So what's the bottom line here? Why does this all matter? Well, it means you're making decisions based on data you got minutes ago, not weeks ago. It means your teams can actually work together and come up with ideas no one would have thought of alone. It means you can scale to handle any amount of data that comes your way. And really, it means you can finally unlock the incredible potential that's been hiding in your company's data all this time. And that brings me to the final thought I want to leave you with. Forget the technology for just a second and think about the people. If your data engineers, your scientists, and your analysts were all working together in one place, no more walls between them, what huge, complex, game-changing questions could they finally answer for your business? What becomes possible when all that friction just disappears?